So we'll save it and then we'll come back to it and see that it is now properly and well arranged. Okay, let's zoom it. Okay, so good. So now let's go and explain what we have on our code. Okay, so here we have our table. We have opened our table. Okay, as I said. Okay, we opened our table and we closed it down there. So everything we are going to be writing will be inside. Anything you write outside this table. Say for example, you try to say this is a table. Okay, and you save it. By the time we come here, it will fall outside the table. Okay, because we have declared, we have opened the table and we have closed the table. So anything that comes after the table will not show inside the table. Okay, good. So now we have opened our table and have closed it down there. So now we have this tr. This tr means table row. Okay, table row. Okay, so we opened a row. Okay, now in this row that we have opened, we want to have the th, which is the table head. Okay, good. So now this is the table. This is the row we opened. Okay, so inside that row, okay, we now open our th, which is the table head. Okay, table head 1 is company, table head 2 is contact, table head 3 is country. We will decide to add another th here, th, and we say company, contact, company, and we say phone number. And we say phone number and we decide to save it. By the time we get to our, that's created another one for us here. So on that particular row is what we are working on first. Okay, good. So having done that, we move to another row. We opened another row. Now the row we opened here, we have closed it here. Okay, we have closed it here. Okay, so then we decide to open another row, which is the second row. Okay, so if you look at the second row here, where we have the Alfred, Futakis, and then the other one, the Maria and Germany. Okay, you see that's the second row, the table row that we open. So inside it you put the, so you can decide to say, okay, now inside the table row we now have table data. This TD is called table data. Okay, because we are given data of, in the first row we declared our heading or our header, okay, the th. Then inside the next one we are declaring the value of the company. What will be for the company name, what will be for the contacts, what will be for the what, for the country. So you notice that here we have 4, okay, but here we have 3. So for something to fall under the phone number, we have to place a phone number. We have to create a table data for what, for phone number. So I want to do td, I want to write maybe 09032331000 this. Then we save it. By the time we come to our browser, we already have something under the what, the phone number. Are you getting it now? So if we want to, so after that row there is another row. Okay, so the more rows you want to have, you keep adding them, okay. So if after this this central we want to have another row under, what we are going to do is just what, create a new row. Okay, so before our table tag was closed or is closed, we will add another what, another tr. Okay, good. So we added another tr. So inside that tr, it cannot be blank. If we save